Good morning, online friends and family. We are up bright and early, getting ready to go out and check out this pool. It is looking nice outside. Rory has got her swimsuit on. It's also her birthday party. Lots of stuff, eating breakfast. All right, let's head out. Jason forgot he's on vacation over here. I don't know what he's doing.
A minute-long plank.
Oh my God.
For now.
You ready to go? Okay, let's go. Rory, you ready to get in the pool? No? You were pestering me all morning. Come out in the pool. Now you don't want to get in. Come on. Oh, dang, this pool is warm. Come on in, Rory. Come on.
Hi.
Yes? Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Is it your birthday? Mm-hmm.
A hamburger.
Hamburgers? That's not a hamburger. That's a yogurt. Yogurt. Very good. Yeah? Yes? Yeah, Dad's got the same shirt. That's right. That's right. Oh, yeah, Dad's got pants on, of course. Mm-hmm. Okay, everyone. Here we are. We're in the pool. Welcome to the pool of the dam. Oh, here's Mommy and Nevie. Oh, man. Man, make a cool face. Here's Meg.
Hello.
Again. All right. This is day one of our adventures. Here's my nose.
Are you guys ready?
Just thought you'd want to see that. Match on. Have fun editing this. Here's a gun. Okay, well, thank you for joining my TED Talk. Have a wonderful day. Be nice to each other. So we did. Nice. All right. Heading down to the beach on this beach vacation. Sun's out, guns out. Let's go. Evie, hey, come on. I'll help you. I'll help you. Yes, you can. Come on. The wave's not going to take you away, all right?
But there's big waves.
We'll just stay right here. These waves are not big, all right? See? There you go. You got plenty of water. Hey, I'm so excited! Ah!
Okay, there you go. Oh, crap. Yummy? August, don't touch
What was that, a pina colada?
Water and ice.
Oh, okay.
Virgin water and ice.
Version. Got it. You didn't catch? There's one left. There's one left. You didn't? Did you try to get that one? The birds weren't nice.
Good job, Rebel.
Okay, you ready to jump in? Oh, now she realized. She's like, wait, what? You're not what? What you got there, Rory? Who's that? Peppa?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Peppa Pig. What do you got there, Evie?
Wow! Pinky Mommy! Pinky Mommy. It's not a pony, Pinky Mommy.
Well, what do you say?
Thank you. Thank you.
To Mama Meg?
To Mama Meg. I hope it's way with that.
You want to open? There you go.
Go ahead and open it. Go ahead and open it. Oh, you want Mommy to help?
Mommy.
You want me to help? Ooh. There.
Mama, she's home. What is it?
I don't know. What do I say to Mama Meg? Go say thank you.
I'm floating.
You're floating. You enjoying the pool here, Evie? What was that made for? Alright, it's birthday night, so it's taco night. Jen spent all day making all those tacos. What you got there, Jason?
Got a nice barbacoa burrito that's gonna be super messy but super delicious.
Alright, good. That's the way it should be.
Taco.
Taco. What you working on?
Bottle.
Oh. Well, that's not as exciting. But I'm about to I'm gonna make myself some of this barbacoa burritos. And then we're gonna eat some cake, maybe some ice cream. We got Paw Patrol going on over there. We got games. You'll see it all right here. Come on, Rory.
You know it, but it's your birthday.
I want to pick my own.
It's in her birthday. It's in her birthday.
She's right. There's a seat right here.
I'm fucking drunk. You wanna sit in your booster? Oh, watch out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rory. Happy birthday to you.
Blow it out, Rory. Wow.
Here, birthday buddy. There we go.
I don't have one candle. I broke my candle.
Yeah.
All right, that's it for today. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.